Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Google Nest Cam YR is having connection issues, not responding properly, or you're preparing it for a new setup, performing a factory reset can often help restore everything back to its original settings. Temporary glitches and network problems can sometimes affect the performance of the Google Nest Cam. But fortunately, a reset can give the device a fresh start. The process is straightforward and doesn't require any complicated tools or advanced technical knowledge. Before reconnecting the camera to your account, it's important to complete the reset correctly. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps that may help you successfully factory reset your Google Nest Cam. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the Google Nest Cam remains connected to power throughout the reset process. Step 2. Locate the reset button on the Google Nest Cam. Step 3. Press and hold the reset button on the Google Nest Cam. Step 4. Continue holding the button until the Google Nest Cam indicates that the reset process has started. Step 5. Allow the Google Nest Cam enough time to restart and restore factory settings. Step 6. Set up the Google Nest Cam again and confirm that it is functioning normally.